Welcome back, guys. So let's talk about Twitter analytics. So let me come to my premium. It's one of the features that comes with the premium subscription. So I'll come to my premium, and right now we have the monetization we've spoken about. But right now, let's talk about analytics, which is very, very important. So this in relation to our monetization program. So you're going to see everything in there to see. So from the account overview, we have the 7 days overview of your analytics. We have 2 weeks, we have 4 weeks, we have 3 months, and the ones required for us to hit the monetization is like 3 months. I showed you earlier on. So remembered when I talked about monetization, it was saying something about having 3 million impression in 3 months, having 2,000 verified followers. So those are the things we want to confirm. Why in creator revenue sharing from X, that's the X monetization program itself, is still the same 5 million impression in 3 months and 500 premium followers. So let's see what I have so far. So right now I would input, this is 1 year. So 1 year so far, I only have 265 verified followers and impression is 1.6 million. In 1 year, I have 1.6 million impression and I needed 5 million for 3 months. Even my old account has not had like the 5 million impression. That's what it is trying is. I only have 1.6 million impressions so far. So I have to work more to get that if I want to. And you have the engagement rates, which are not so important for now until you hit monetization. Profile visits, they are not really important for now. But the more your replies, likes, impression increases, the more this increases as well. So bookmarks, 840 people have bookmarked my post and 34 people have shared my post. I have 6k visits in a year, 6,000 people visited my profile within a year. Then I have 81.4k engagement in a year. That is likes, comments, reposts, 81.4k. So repost has 9.3k and likes has 26.2k, replies has 5.3k. So those are the basic analytics that comes with this. But what we need the data for 3 months. Yes, so I'm going to change it to 3 months. The timeline has to be 3 months, and yeah, you're going to see the impression for 3 months. So you could check whatever you want to check. You could check different analytics, the engagement rates, you could check the new follows, you could check a lot of metrics. But right now, let's stay at impression because impression is the most important part we need right now. So in 3 months, my impression so far, so I only have 265 verified followers, which I need 500, to hit the X monetization program. So far so good. I have 265. So the more subscribers I have as followers, the better for me. And my impression so far is not even close to 5 million. I still have 280.2k impressions so far. And my engagement rates, all these are not needed. But the two things that are needed is the verified followers and the impression, which I have 265 right here. And from this we need 500 premium followers, then impression 280k, and from here we need 5 million impression in 3 months, which I've set this to 3 months. So that's how to check the analytics for monetization. Then you come to audience to learn more about your audience. So the age group of my audience is 25 to 34. As you could see, it took over 78.4 percentage of my audience, and the gender on my profile, I have 90.2% male and 4.6% female. Then the other ones are not specified. Then the countries, most of my subscribers are from Nigeria. As you could see, this is 8.9% of my subscribers are from Nigeria, and United States, I only have 5.3% from United States. And Ghanaians don't rate me at all. I have 2.3 percentage, and Bangladesh, I have 1.2%, and United Kingdom, I have 1.2%. Other, I have 1.2%. So these are active times of my followers. As you could see, the most active time is Thursday. As you could see from here, you could see most engaged, you could see all those details. So Thursdays, people are always locked in. That's what it means, Thursdays. And Thursdays is most active time. Sunday too is not bad. So Thursdays and Sundays are my most active period, most engaged period. So yes, Thursdays and Sundays. So yes, leave that right there. And devices, about 9.9% people are using iPhone on my Twitter, and 72.0% are using Android. Then web, 18.1% are using web. So that's what it try means. So far so good. That's the audience analytics. Then you can come to content And here in the audience, this is 7 days. You could change the timeline as well to 3 months. So here in 3 months, you could change timeline. So see my followers right here, and my active times Thursday and Sunday is still the same. And here we have the same 7.3%, everything here for 3 months. Then content, come to content, make sure it's 3 months as well. So in the last 3 months, let's see the most performing content and all that. So you could check for content right here. You would see the analytics for content and see impression. Look at it right here. So we have for content right there. So you can check that out. Then we have for video. So for video, how many videos have I posted? I only have in 3 months. Let me see, in 3 months, I only have 571 views, and my watch time, people watched my video for 2.3 hours, and completion rate is 7.9%. Average watch time is 0.05. So I could build this my video profile. So I only have one video in the video analytics so far. So I could do more. I could add more videos if I want to. Right now, this is when I added this one, and here it is. I hope to see in the next lesson where we'll get to talk more about Twitter marketing and monetization. But right now, you've seen the analytics and how to use it. You can only access this with a premium account. If you don't have a premium account, I don't think you'll be able to access it. Let's check from a free account if we'll be able to access it. So let me come to premium and let's see if we'll be able to access that. So okay, let me come to settings and see if we have anything like analytics. No. Also, until you subscribe to premium, that's when you could see these analytics I'm showing you right now. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.